3 hidden health mistakes that can sabotage your well-being. After 50. As we age, our bodies go through subtle but significant changes that often go unnoticed until they become major health issues. If you're over 50, you may have felt unexplained fatigue, mental fog, or muscle aches and dismissed them as just getting older. But what if I told you that these signs are not an inevitable part of aging? Instead, they could be a sign that your body is desperately calling for help. There are 3 crucial health mistakes that most people over 50 make without even realizing it. These mistakes can silently drain your energy, cloud your mental clarity, and weaken your overall health. The good news is that every one of these mistakes is reversible. By understanding the root causes and making simple adjustments, you can restore your vitality, boost your brain power, and reclaim control of your well-being. In this video, we'll uncover these 3 hidden health mistakes and, more importantly, show you how to correct them before they take a toll on your body and mind. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1. Overlooking magnesium deficiency. The mineral your body desperately needs. Magnesium isn't just a mineral. It's a fundamental building block for your body's health. It plays a role in over 300 essential biochemical processes, impacting everything from muscle function and heart health to energy production and brain function. Without enough magnesium, your body simply cannot operate at its full potential. But here's the shocking truth. After age 50, your body's ability to absorb magnesium declines significantly. This means that even if you're eating the same healthy foods you did in your 30s and 40s, your body is absorbing far less magnesium from those meals. On top of that, most modern diets are already deficient in magnesium-rich foods. When magnesium levels dip, you might start experiencing muscle cramps, particularly in your legs at night. That restless, twitchy feeling in your legs? It's a classic sign of magnesium deficiency. You may also feel persistently fatigued, as if no amount of sleep is enough. Your sleep quality might suffer too. Many people with low magnesium struggle with insomnia or restless sleep. On a mental level, you could experience heightened anxiety, irritability, or brain fog, where your thoughts feel sluggish and unclear. Unfortunately, these symptoms are often brushed aside as part of normal aging. But here's the kicker. They're not normal at all. Your body is sending out warning signs, and it's up to you to listen. Research shows that over 60% of people over age 50 have a magnesium deficiency, and many don't even know it. Why are you deficient? Several factors contribute to this hidden health issue. As mentioned earlier, your body's ability to absorb magnesium naturally declines with age. But that's not all. Certain medications, such as diuretics, antacids, and some blood pressure medications, actively reduce your body's magnesium levels. If you have digestive issues like leaky gut syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or Crohn's disease, your intestines may not absorb magnesium efficiently. How can you fix it? Fortunately, addressing magnesium deficiency is easier than you think. Here are some effective steps you can take today. Load up on magnesium-rich foods. Add these nutrient-dense foods to your diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds. Legumes such as black beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, avocados, and bananas. Consider magnesium supplements. If your deficiency is severe, diet alone may not be enough. Supplements like magnesium citrate, magnesium threonate, and magnesium malate are beneficial. Magnesium threonate is best for improving memory and cognitive function. Magnesium malate is ideal for those battling fatigue and energy depletion. Magnesium citrate works well for promoting healthy digestion and easing constipation. Consult with your doctor. If you're unsure which supplement to choose, consult a healthcare professional who can guide you on the correct dosage and form. Pro tip. Research shows that every additional 100 mg of magnesium per day can lower your risk of stroke by 2%. Mistake number 2. Neglecting vitamin D. The sunshine nutrient with life-changing benefits. When you hear vitamin D, you might think about strong bones and sunlight. But did you know its role goes way beyond just that? Vitamin D is a powerful nutrient that supports immune function, heart health, and mental well-being. It's crucial for regulating mood and brain function because it helps produce serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. But here's the catch. As we get older, our body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight diminishes. So if you're not spending enough time outside, or tend to stay under the shade or always wear sunscreen, you could be missing out on this vital nutrient. Unfortunately, older adults often have a reduced capacity to convert vitamin D into its active form, which compounds the issue. Signs of vitamin D deficiency. Low vitamin D levels can leave you feeling unusually tired, weak, and often in a low mood. You might experience muscle weakness, especially in your legs, or even some discomfort. On top of that, your immune system might become weaker, increasing your chances of getting sick. Some people also experience cognitive issues like memory loss and sudden mood changes. Why is this happening? Aging skin produces less vitamin D in response to sunlight. Additionally, indoor living, long winters, cloudy weather, and having darker skin pigmentation can further reduce the body's ability to produce this nutrient. People with kidney or liver disease often have difficulty converting vitamin D into its active form, making them more susceptible to deficiency. How can you fix it? Get sunlight daily. Try to spend 15 to 20 minutes outside every day, but avoid using sunscreen during this short period to help your body produce vitamin D naturally. Add vitamin D-rich foods. Include fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel in your diet. Egg yolks, fortified cereals, and fortified dairy products are also great options to increase your intake. Consider supplements. If it's hard for you to get enough vitamin D through food or sunlight, supplements are a safe and effective option. Fun fact: vitamin D is not only beneficial for your bones, but also supports heart health, boosts your immune system, and can even improve cognitive function. Mistake number 3. Ignoring vitamin B12 deficiency, the cause of brain fog and energy slumps. Feeling tired, forgetful, or mentally foggy. That could be a sign of vitamin B12 deficiency, which becomes more common after the age of 50. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of red blood cells, nerve function, and brain health. As we age, our stomachs produce less hydrochloric acid, which is needed to absorb vitamin B12 from food. If you're on medications like antacids, metformin, a common diabetes drug, or drink alcohol frequently, your body's ability to absorb B12 could be even further impaired. Certain medical conditions like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, or past intestinal surgeries can also block B12 absorption. Signs of B12 deficiency. When B12 levels drop, it can cause red blood cells to become enlarged and dysfunctional, which in turn reduces the amount of oxygen flowing to your brain and muscles. This can lead to chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, forgetfulness, and even depression. Some people also experience tingling or numbness in their hands and feet due to nerve damage caused by the deficiency. How can you fix it? Eat more B12-rich foods. Beef liver, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy are all great sources of B12. Consider B12 supplements. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you may need fortified foods or B12 supplements to meet your needs. Oral supplements are effective for many, but for those with severe absorption issues, B12 injections may be necessary. Check your B12 levels. If you suspect a deficiency, ask your doctor for a simple blood test to check your B12 levels. Quick tip: addressing a B12 deficiency can lead to a dramatic improvement in energy, focus, and mood. Aging doesn't have to mean accepting fatigue, brain fog, or aches and pains as your new normal. Often, these issues are the result of hidden deficiencies, and the good news is they're completely reversible. The 3 major health mistakes you might be making are neglecting magnesium, ignoring vitamin D, and overlooking vitamin B12. The great part? All of these are fixable with a few lifestyle changes. Make sure to include magnesium-rich foods in your meals, soak up the sun for some much-needed vitamin D, and ensure you're getting enough B12 to keep your energy levels high. Don't let your body's subtle warning signs go unnoticed. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthholic Master. Your health is your greatest asset, and I'm here to help you protect it. See you next time.